Hey everyone, Mark here from thewindowcleaningstore.com. Today a quick video just to show you a new product we have here at the store. It's the Easy Reel 100. It is just a very basic hose reel with 100 feet of tubing on it. You also get this lead hose, 5 feet of lead hose. This side here you'll connect to the output of your pure water system, whether it be a DI system or an RO DI system. The other side of that tubing will have a quick connect, a female quick connect, which will connect to the male quick connect on the hose reel. Just push that in there and you'll feed your water through here and through the tubing that's on this reel. And now for the breakdown of what you get in this package. So yes, you will be getting the hose reel that you have to assemble yourself. Don't worry, it's like 5-10 minutes tops to assemble this. We include this fitting that I already have attached here. You see it's a female brass fitting that connects to the reel itself, and the output of that would be a 10 mil push fitting. So you're going to be getting a 100-foot length of 10 mil tubing. This is the high flow tubing. Now you might be asking yourself, well, what if I'm not using high flow tubing with my water fed pole? I might be using standard 8 mil. Well, no problem there. We give you this fitting here. It's a 10 mil down to 8 mil reducer fitting. So you first connect this up to the reel. The other end would connect to your existing pole tubing. Now if you do use 10 mil high flow tubing, we also give you this union adapter here. So simply connect this up to your existing high flow tubing. We also give you a couple spare connectors, so we give you a spare brass male connect, as well as a spare female garden quick connect, and a 5-foot length of lead hose. This would go from your output of your system to the input here. It's got a brass female fitting on the one side and then a male fitting plus a quick connect fitting on the other side. So everything you need to just get up and running and have a little extra length of tubing, and as well as a nice organization system here. So if you remember from the first part of the video where I showed the hose actually on the reel, it was certainly enough space for you to put another 100-150 feet of pole tubing, especially if you're using the standard 8 mil. So you'd have this rolled on, connect up your regular pole tubing, and then roll that on, and there you go. You get about 250 feet of hose or pole tubing on this reel. Anyway, thanks for watching.